Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make rainbow croissant. Start by preparing laminated dough and chilling between folds, then divide and tint portions with gel colors. Stack layers, roll into a log, cut triangles, roll tightly, proof until puffy, brush with egg wash. Bake until golden and flaky, cool slightly to preserve color and texture, and serve to highlight the rainbow layers and flaky crumb. Choose a sturdy dough with high butter content and plan rest times for successful lamination. Roll to about 3.5 inches between turns and fold 3 to 4 times. Keep dough cold, work efficiently, and chill between color applications to prevent bleeding. Use gel colors to maintain intensity without increasing moisture. When shaping, handle gently and use a sharp cutter to preserve layers for the best rise and flakiness in each croissant. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy background music while baking, check the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp sound and convenient voice control in small kitchens. It fits on a counter and handles timers hands-free. If this tip helps, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and more recipe content. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy easier baking with better sound. Now let's get back to the video. Shape triangles with bases around 4 inches for classic croissants, and roll from base to tip with steady tension. This creates even spirals and visible rainbow layers. Proof in a warm 75 degrees F spot until nearly doubled, which usually takes 1 to 2 hours depending on environment. Brush with egg wash for shine, then bake at 375 degrees F until deeply golden and layered. Allow slight cooling before finishing so colors and texture set perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.